Add information about your current and potential future partners to your CRM, apps and workflows automatically. Connect data of more than 75 million companies from the whole of Europe and beyond. No need to integrate dozens of local APIs, struggle with translations, or deal with data conversion and aggregation. Company registration data, invoicing data, sales performance, and the number of employees. HitHorizons API provides access to all data available in the HitHorizons database. With our autocomplete feature, you don't need to know company registration names. Just start typing and select the company you are looking for from the list of suggestions. Finding the right company within your software is just a matter of seconds. In addition, autofill instantly adds company details to your accounts and forms. No manual retyping. No unnecessary typos. API allows to track changes in the database. You get to decide if, when, and how you want to update your records. Just one click within your software opens detailed company profiles available at HitHorizons.com and allows you to evaluate individual businesses' market position and compare businesses within their industries and segments. You no longer have to spend hours looking for the right prospects. Click on HitHorizons Screener in a company profile and immediately see other similar businesses. Create your own lists of potential leads and export them straight to your CRM. Take a step further and combine the HitHorizons data with data from other sources to create tailored analyses and visualizations in the business intelligence software of your choice. Want to issue invoices easier and faster? Integrate invoicing data from individual countries' registers through HitHorizons API. HitHorizons API works with any software, keeps data up to date, and makes it available in real time. Get all essential company data in one language, one format, and in one integration. Empower your business with HitHorizons.